We are DFAME, and we discovered certain problems in the lifestyle and community sector, and especially on online communities around different industries. And basically, new creators have a really tough time to raise funding, get monetization, even if they are massively popular. Also, creators don't own the content they push on certain platforms, since it is fully in the hands of the platform providers and they don't have a stake in those. Discovery is hard for new creators with smaller audience, so the interoperability and interconnection between communities is tough, and collaboration is the only way to get discovered. And yeah, this is a thing that really could be optimized. Also, fans have currently no incentive or ability to really contribute to the community, and on all social media platforms, these fans are currently just consumers, but they could be way more than that, since every community and every creator is just what it is because of their fans and followers. So they should have a different connection to the community. And we wanna provide a solution to those problems with a new type of social app, especially for personal tokens or with personal tokens. And how are we going to do that? We basically leverage some ideas from the blockchain industry and provide a solution for the fame industry with the main focus on fashion, arts, music, and entertainment. Basically, we provide a user-controlled wallet where also the user has full control over its app data. We have an incentivized mechanism for members of each community. That contribution to community is a valuable thing for them, and they are incentivized to contribute. Basically, we tokenize communities and brands around artists, around fashion labels, around musicians. And every community is totally self-governed and fully self-sustainable. How is the market in this? So basically, this is a pretty new concept, and we have seen some increase of new ways to monetize the content from creators. With a huge growth of Patreon, we see that creators are looking for new ways to monetize content and create also more meaningful content, which is not just shareable, which is a deeper meaning, and it's more unique. And also we see a growth of the tokenization and the adoption of tokens in the real world. And especially younger audience with 18 to 24 is really open to use tokens in their day-to-day. And there are currently some players who do things in the direction, mainly to mention as with Foundation on the blockchain side, where they tokenize physical products and have a digital twin on the blockchain. Also, there's a Web2 company which is interesting called Cameo, where creators or famous people can give shorter video messages around to their fans. So we already see this industry of more unique digital content is growing and kind of kicking off slowly. So how does our solution work? You basically launch your community token with just a few clicks, and you can customize your own token icon for that and set up your community profile on our platform. And then you just have to onboard your followers from your current social media platform, wherever you have your following. Just onboard them into your community with different programs or different distribution ideas for your token, or just giving it to them. And then you create with your community content on the platform. We have various possibilities to do that. And with each contribution is basically an economic transaction. Your community value is growing over time. So every member of the community has a value increase with its membership in the community. And basically we have three main content types for you as a community to build around. This is first the flow, which is a direct conversation place for your community, where every community member can post, and also the community creator can send out votings, send out special chats around topics, or a lot of more things. Then we have our main content type, which is streams, and these are unique and special videos which members can unlock by holding the token. And also every community has a shop where we make products, digital and physical products, fully unique and only available for community members. So a special place to sell unique products.
This is DFAME in development. Users can view content here on the stream page. This is where creators' pages will be uploaded and visible to the public. You can see that you need a certain amount of tokens to unlock or gain access to the content. If you don't have enough tokens or you're not already using a Roll wallet, then you'll be prompted to either log in or register for a wallet. Once you've done so, you'll be able to gain access to all the creators' content if your wallet holds tokens. We're using Roll Wallet as the social token background because it already has a great deal of support and many creators who need this sort of service. As you can see, the current balance is displayed at the bottom. So this user would have access to the content and can now view the video. However, if they were to go and try and view a video that requires more tokens than they currently have, they won't be able to access it. Instead, for example, in this video, they would need 12 ting in order to access the video content. Since they don't have enough, they'll be prompted to instead purchase more tokens in order to gain access. Currently, we're using Roll's social Uniswap exchange in order to facilitate the purchasing of more of these tokens for users. We have future intentions to build this logic, build this buying and selling logic into the app so that users don't have to migrate to a separate web page for this. Here's where creators would be able to upload their videos. Currently, we're using the TING token, but creators can actually choose any token that they'd like in order to request access to content. We also have plans to make it so that creators can collaborate with each other and allow for them to request users hold both of the creators' tokens in order to access this content. And we'll be using 3box for the profiles. Currently, this is not implemented in our master branch. However, once it is, user data will be fully decentralized through the 3box system.
So, like we saw in the demo, we are basically using 3box and Roll for the social profiles and the wallet, and our video data is get stored on IPFS. And for also a great Web2 usability, we are going to plan to integrate the Abridge wallet or using the Abridge wallet to have a great user experience even for non-crypto users. How is our business model going to look like in the future? We have basically three main types how we want to make money, and the first one is market fees. The second one is continuous fundraising with our own governance token, the DFAME token, with various functionalities in the later stages, and also staking via a liquidity pool that you can be a liquidity provider for those social tokens. And our strategy to go to the market is divided into phases: the pre-launch phase and the post-launch phase. We are slowly starting to onboard users on a waiting list because we want to build the product directly with them and getting feedback in as early as possible and test our ideas and concept, as well as with users who are familiar with crypto, also with users who never heard or used crypto before. Our milestones is to have the alpha phase by end of the year, and launching also our DFAME token this year for the DAO. And by the end of the year and beginning new year, we want to improve the feature set with the marketplace and having the ability also to trade things directly in the app. So this is DFAME. What would you create on it?